This is Phil Jadaborg with PJ Networks, and I'm going to be giving you a quick walkthrough of a SpamTitan spam quarantine report email that a user with SpamTitan protection could expect to receive on a daily basis. Typically, they're sent at 4 a.m. every morning, and they contain a list of all of the emails that were quarantined for any reason in the previous 24 hours. Keep in mind that infected emails, as opposed to spam emails, will be blocked and shown in a different category at the end of the message, and they cannot be released to the end user. So the settings we're talking about pretty much will apply to spam emails, not to infected emails, which we typically don't want to put into the hands of an end user for obvious reasons. So we'll see that this email, the report was sent for the mailbox info at pj-networks.com. I manage several mailboxes for PJ Networks, and each email has instructions at the top that tells you your four main choices. Number one, first choice is to deliver the email. You look to the right of any of the blocked messages, and you can click on the deliver button. It will send that one email, that one message to my inbox, but any future emails from that same sender may get blocked if they look spammy. Second option is to allow. The allow one delivers it, the green button. Green option allows the email to be delivered to my inbox, and it tells SpamTitan to let all future emails from that sender to make it into my inbox. So be careful with that one, because once you allow somebody, it takes a little bit of effort to block them again, although we can assist you with that if you need it. There's a block option to the right that, I'll be honest, I've never used. And if I'm not mistaken, block tells SpamTitan, don't even put this in my quarantine, just bounce that email out, refuse delivery, and you won't see it showing up on your quarantine list anymore. And then there's a delete link that I believe deletes that message from your current quarantine queue, but it doesn't have any effect on future messages that may get caught in there. I do apologize for not knowing about the block and the delete functions more accurately, but pretty much using deliver or allow have been the only options that I've needed to use since we started using SpamTitan at PJ Networks. So perfect example would be this one from Virginia Recycler, about Virginia Recyclers. If I click the deliver button, then that message will immediately be delivered to my inbox. And in fact, I already see that it's been delivered. And tomorrow, if they send me another message, then it will get blocked. If I click on the allow button, that also tells the message to go ahead and be delivered, and it happens pretty much immediately, but it tells SpamTitan, for future messages coming from this particular user, do not quarantine them. Please send them to me. I know this user and I want to receive those emails. The initial process, the first few weeks with SpamTitan, usually involves users clicking and allowing through the users, the senders that they want to receive from the first time they get quarantined, and after that, it's not a problem anymore. As a general rule, PJ Networks is going to start off your spam quarantine settings relatively high so that fewer messages are blocked and more are delivered. And then slowly over time, we'll gradually tighten it down until we're getting just the right amount of spam being blocked. If you have an email flow situation where you would like more spam to be blocked, then you can request that from us and we can crank that setting down. Or if you would like more email to be allowed through, then let us know and we can allow the more messages to come through. You can email that request to support@pj-networks.com, or you can call our tech support phone number 434-975-0122 and choose option 1 for business computer support, and someone will be happy to assist you. I think that pretty much covers the main features of SpamTitan, so don't hesitate to ask us any questions that you have. This video hopefully has been helpful and will allow you for a smooth transition onto SpamTitan. Thank you very much.